Hey guys, Jazz here. I hope you all like my RAM video. This is actually my second time recording it because the first time I recorded my what's in my Finder bar and it turned out to be too long. So just quickly, I have iShowU, which I use for recording. Dropbox, haven't used it much. It's a private beta, so yeah. Twitterific, always running. iStat menus, which I use instead of Activity Monitor now. iStat menus is getting a little crazy. That's also iStat menu. iChat, Time Machine, monitors, Bluetooth, spaces, volume, clock, and Spotlight. Quick shortcut for Spotlight, Command space to get into Spotlight. Now, just a disclaimer, I don't always have my, talking to Colin there, Crash is Geek, youtube.com/Crash is Geek. I never have it on magnification. I just decided to put it on magnification so it's easier for you guys to see these things on my dock elements, my dock items. Okay, so I'm not going to explain these much because I don't want to keep this video short, under 10 minutes, because of the stupid YouTube rule. So I have Finder, obviously, Dashboard, obviously, Stickies, don't use it much, Twitterific, always using it, Mail, always in the background, iChat, always in the background, iTunes uses a lot of RAM, so I've been not using it much lately. Skype, usually have it open. Firefox, my main browser. Safari, which I use for testing web pages, as well as Firefox and Opera. Opera, which I always use for streaming because it's pretty stable. Whoa, that icon's offset. Address Book, don't use it. I always use Address Book on my iPod Touch. iCal, same thing. Use Calendar on my iPod Touch. Camtwist, always use it for streaming. Final Cut Express, LiveType, always use them for video editing. Not necessarily my YouTube videos that I'm doing like this one, but my Equal Tech News videos. iMovie, which I use for my YouTube videos like this one, but I'm probably not going to be editing this one. iMovie HD, Colloquy for IRC chat. iShowU, Stomp, which I use it a lot. I really like this program. It's great for making video smaller. Go over to shinywhitebox.com /stomp. Really good program. It's not too expensive either. I just showed you. It's for recording your screen. Really good program. I love it. And those are both together because they're both Shiny White Box. There's iStop Motion, which I did a product review for Equal Tech News. So they gave me an NFR copy. I'm not going to go into that. Equal Tech News for equaltechnews.com /review, and if it's not the first one there, then just look for it. iStop Motion review, iStop Motion by Blanks. Digital color meter is really cool. You open it and you can scroll over anything on your computer, on your desktop, and it'll show you the hexadecimal color or the any decimal color. Like it'll show you the color code. iWeb, unfortunately, I use this. I am a web designer, I use that a lot for web design. Unfortunately, I use this. I really hate this program a lot, but I use it. I had to get something up quick for the Equal Tech News website, so I had to use this. Sorry, I'm talking really fast. I just want to get this video done, and me rambling on doesn't make it faster, because my last time I recorded this was over 10 minutes. Here's iTweak, which I use for adding analytics to iWeb. There's GarageBand. I used it more when I started. When I first got my Mac, because it's one of those things like, oh, let's make a song. Aperture, I haven't used it much. One cool feature about Aperture, though, because I just installed it because my friend gave it to me. I actually have this case right here. That's the sound of the case. A really cool feature, if you have a lot of pictures of one thing, like say a sunset, you can copy the editing that you did on one of the pictures and put it onto a ton of other pictures. So if you have the same sunset, you obviously are going to want to edit them pretty similarly. So you can copy all those editing and then change it slightly. Bridge I use a lot for all my Adobe applications. I always open things up in Bridge. Acrobat, I haven't used it yet. Dreamweaver, but I definitely am going to for work. And yeah, Dreamweaver, always use it every day. Photoshop, everyday thing. Illustrator, I haven't opened this today. Let's open it. Illustrator I do use every day because I love Illustrator for design. I use it more than Photoshop. It's probably my most used Adobe and most loved Adobe program. Fireworks CS3, I thought this was I'm using it on a 30-day trial because I thought since I bought design, well, let's hide that stuff because that's previews of some stuff we're gonna do for Equal Tech News. But because I bought Design Premium after 3.3 was released, but the student licensing versions, which is the one that I bought, are a little different, so it didn't accept my code. InDesign, haven't used it much yet, used it for one thing. Flash, used it for a little animation for something that I accidentally showed you just a minute ago. Dreamweaver CS4, I haven't really used it, but I'm going to and help them out with that, give them some feedback. Fireworks CS4, I'm kind of using instead of CS3 because CS3 wouldn't accept my code. AE, After Effects, my friend's dad actually invented this and sold it to Adobe. SketchUp, Marble Blast Gold, my favorite game, Mac game. It's also for PC. Go to garagegames.com, great game. Spore Creature Creator, this Wednesday we're doing a product review on Equal Tech News for Spore Creature Creator. Spaces, obviously, I have 5 spaces. Check it out. Text edit, which I always use for text documents. Keynote pages, numbers, preview every day. Fetch, FTP client, use it every day. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Entourage, and Microsoft Messenger. I always use Word for nicely formatted text documents or Word documents. Project Gallery, never use it. VMware Fusion, use it a lot for my bootcamp backup or bootcamp installation. Time Machine, okay, use it a lot. Automator, don't use it much. iPhone Remote, which is telekinesis. If you want to learn how to set up telekinesis with your iPhone or iPod Touch, look at Domrays' video. That's youtube.com/Domrays. That's DOMREIS 7337. Windows Explorer, which I use for opening my VMware Fusion, my bootcamp installation pretty quickly, and it's Windows XP, not Vista, but I'm probably going to put Vista on it, like tomorrow maybe. Activity Monitor, I used to use this every day, but as I said, I use iSet Menu now instead. System Preferences, use it, obviously. And now for my stacks. I have my applications stack, which I don't use very much because I always have all the applications that I use in my doc, like I just showed you. Documents, use it not much. Videos, use it not much. Equal Tech News, I use that a lot. Downloads, definitely use it every day. And these are all minimized windows. There's my trash can, which isn't empty, but it's empty right now. Okay, and alright, it's taking a while to empty. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked my What's in My Doc video. More to come, more videos to come, and I hope you liked it. See you guys later.